In a rapidly changing world, we are always by your side. Sungchang Corporation connects the unseen, bringing the world together with its values. With sincerity and creativity, we pave the way to the future. What started as a single wire has now expanded across the globe. Through rigorous quality control and precise craftsmanship, we deliver trust to our customers. With unwavering technology, Sungchang Corporation creates the finest products. 1993, established and began producing electronic components. 2008, awarded the Presidential Award for Quality. 2010, achieved ISO certifications. 2021, selected as a Busan Regional Star Company. 2024, leading smart manufacturing innovation with a smart factory. Sungchang Corporation technology provides safety and convenience in our daily lives. From kitchens and homes to a wide range of industries. Dryer, perfect drying, delicate care. Sungchang's technology saves your time. Air purifier, clean technology for pure air, delivering hidden freshness to every breath. Robot vacuum cleaner, innovation that finds cleanliness on its own. Smart cleanliness for your daily life. Styler, technology that cares for every garment. The perfect partner for your style. Air conditioner, cool and comfort combined. A smart choice for maintaining comfort. Refrigerator, technology that preserves freshness, ensuring health at your table. Kakomo refrigerator, a deeper, wider embrace of cooling power, keeping freshness richer for longer. Kimchi, refrigerator, traditional technology preserving Korea's taste, keeping kimchi fresh. Water purifier, the first step to pure, clean water, bringing nature's purity to you. Venture Business Confirmation, Busan Regional Star Company Certificate. Certificate of Approval for Business Reorganization Plan. Leading Company Certificate, Smart Factory Level Confirmation. Carey Family Enterprise Certificate. Main Biz Certification. Busan Industrial Corporation. With numerous patents, we continue to prove our technological capabilities. Our technology ensures the highest quality at every step, fulfilling the value our customers expect. Smart management through ERP and MES systems, combined with automated processes, further strengthens our commitment to quality. Today, we continue to connect the world with you. Sungchang's technology is always by your side, moving forward into the future together.